In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make thank you card for your business using Canva. Whether you're sending a card with orders or following up after a service, a well-designed thank you card strengthens your brand and leaves a lasting impression. Let's start simple and keep it professional. First, open Canva and select Create a Design to set custom dimensions. A popular size is 5 by 7 inches, and you can choose portrait or landscape depending on your layout. Open a new design so you're working on a clean canvas. In the design interface, use the search bar to look for thank you cards. Browse templates by style, theme, or color. If one matches your brand vibe, use it as a starting point. If you already have a clear vision, feel free to start from a blank page and build from scratch. Templates are simply shortcuts, you can change anything later. Now, customize your design. Update the text first. Replace placeholder wording with your greeting and a short personalized message. Adjust fonts and sizes to create hierarchy, make the thank you headline bold and easy to read, and keep body text clean and friendly. Next, set your colors. Match backgrounds and elements to your brand palette so everything feels consistent across your materials. Upload your logo and place it where it's visible but not overpowering. Corners or the backside of a card often work well. If your brand uses specific fonts, apply those here too. Add images or graphics to bring personality. You can pull from Canva's library of photos, illustrations, and frames, or upload your own product shots. Use elements like shapes, icons, or lines to group information and lead the eye. Keep spacing generous, and rely on Canva's alignment guides to keep things neat. If you want to make it interactive, add a QR code. Use Canva's QR code generator to link to your website or social profile. Place it where it's easy to scan, and make sure there's good color contrast. It should enhance the design without stealing the show. Before wrapping up, review everything carefully. Zoom in to catch typos, check alignment, and ensure important text stays within the safety area, meaning it's not too close to the edges. This helps avoid accidental cropping and keeps your design looking polished. When you're happy, it's time to export. For digital sharing, download as PNG or JPG for images, or PDF for crisp results. If you added animation for an e-card, export as a GIF or MP4. And that's it, a branded, professional thank you card ready to delight your customers. Thanks for watching.